So just got my delivery from UPS. Bit of a bash there on the side. Nothing else on any of the other sides, just that one. Bit of a scratch on top of the box, but I've opened this part just to make sure there's no problem with the box inside. It's not too badly packed. And this is the radio just here, so let's move that one out of the way. Fold them in. So get that out of the way. Right, this is what I've been waiting for. It's a SUNSDR radio. So just see what this is going to be like. Right, so I've stuck the receipt down with the paper. It's a good job I've already got a couple of copies sent to me. What can you say? It's alright, I'm just doing this with one hand. It's the only time I've ever really done a box opening. So, SUNSDR, yeah, SUNSDR2 DX. That's what we've got. So, it's the other paper out of the way. Don't know how it opens. Let's have a gander. Oh, I think it just pulls off the top. So, if I put this upside down and then just go around the edges. So that's that part off. Now let's just grab this off. Now that's the outer wrapper. And now let me just put this down a moment out of the way. So right, this is just on my suitcase, so I can pull the box up itself, because it needs two hands. Okay, let's get it back. That's the box almost off. So there's the box. So what we actually got, a few bits inside. Cable to either connect it to the router or the back of your PC. Couple of phono connections, and this is the pigtail. Oh, glad. Because people have been saying that they had problems with the end of these. It was rounded off. That's quite sharp, which is better to go into the back of the radio for the antennas. It's a lot easier. Power cable, and then let's just get it. The radio itself, as you see, must have just been pushed down a little bit too much.